Hey guys, this is Dan with Gears and Gadgets. Thanks for tuning in. Welcome to the channel. So what you'll see is a lot of content with my Harley Davidson. I'll do moto vlogs. I'll also get into test riding other bikes, and then I'll get into my automotive content. I've done a lot of things with my 2015 GMC Sierra on this channel. I got into buying a wrecked Crown Vic from a government auction, and I rebuilt that on the channel. I also would like to talk about some of the new things coming out with cars. That is something that you will see rolling out on this channel going forward. And of course, just back to the basics of gadgets and just random things I kind of want to review. I feel like if I'm reviewing things that I want to review, tech products, tools, just all kinds of things, whatever I find interesting, I'll throw it out there on the channel. I like to just kind of throw some random things in there every once in a while, test the waters a little bit, and do things that, again, keep me interested in producing more content. I do sponsorships that I want to do. I would be incredibly upset to have somebody later on tell me that they bought something that I recommended only to have it turn out to be garbage. So I'm very, very careful about anything that I will put on this channel. Just understand that I take that stuff very seriously. I appreciate your time and effort in watching my content. So it's not my goal to just cram out garbage. I really don't intend to do that. I just want to say thank you guys very much for checking the channel out. Recording this intro was like incredibly difficult for some reason. If this was a boring upload and you made it this far, I appreciate you sticking with me. If this is your first time tuning in, please hit that subscribe button down below. Remember, likes go a long way to help support the channel, and I'll see you next time.